is weird because it is 6:40 a.m. in the morning. Today is Monday the 5th of February and I officially start uni today. I'm excited. Do I have my timetable? No. My school doesn't even use the timetable. Do I know what my first class is? Am I in any group that would tell me what my first class is? No. But guess what? I serve a living God. Well, actually, a little bird. Somebody told me that I should come for a 7 a.m. class today because it's like a general class for all year 1 students and it's by 7 a.m. and I don't even want to imagine what a class like that would be like. I'm headed out now. I have 20 minutes to get to school. I actually don't stay in school right now, so I have to run along. But welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Ifechukwu Nwana. If you're seeing this video for the first time, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And I gotta run. I'll see you guys. This is supposed to be my 7. Let's try another showcase. 8.
Yes.
8.
Yes.
Walking towards, I think the accounting department is that way.
You walk down from
Omo! Hey, what's your madness? Okay, we should relax. On. Stop for yourself, you can go there. Ha!
Mossy bends and legs dragging one room.
You should relax.
A few minutes later.
That's the same bush. It's a bush. Are you crazy? See the most likely. I hope it's not Stella. No. Okay, what were we thinking?
What are you thinking at first? Because now it's not track roads now. Now let's just begin about to the road first.
This place is just bomb. Sit down.
Guys. Hey.
Finally going home. Finally. This is like 10 minutes past 5. Finally. Okay guys, I'm back. Don't know, the lighting is poor again, but I'm back and today was okay. There was a lot of pushing and struggling for seats. Like in the morning I sat on the floor. Like there's just so many students, so many of us in one hall. You have to struggle to hear, but it is what it is. That was not even my major concern because like I had heard about this stuff. Let me show you guys the book I got. See these 3 books? Useless. It says the lesson feedback notes, and I was like, oh, this one says the assignment tracker. These books were expensive and it was sealed, so don't ask me anything. And I was like, oh, these are cute, but look at least this one I was even able to like just inside. But look at it, like look at this rubbish. I was just so pissed, like because like it was sealed and I wanted to like unveil it, like, oh, my first day, only for me to get to class and see this rubbish. I was mad. I had to move past it. I'll get new books. Today was both ways. At least like I've joined a group now and now I can follow up like with my classes and stuff. So now I'm just going to like catch up, try to read, and yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. The time is 11:56. I have a class for 1 p.m. and I am headed off to school now. Making use of my legs is first because this economy is not smiling. Please ignore my crusty, dusty edges. This is like 7 p.m. I came back a long time ago. Today was okay. I had just 1 class. I've not been able to get a proper seat, but God knows best. We go again tomorrow. The time is 10 minutes past 8 and I'm headed off to school now. I have a class by 9 and at this point I believe there is this school that is going to teach me punctuality because I'm pretty sure that class, that big hall, is full by now. We have a little break right now and I said let me take a walk because, you know, I've been sitting for hours only for these babes now. So, oh, your edges are white. Like, sis, it's the middle of the day. What am I supposed to do? Wash it off? And I'm like, okay. She's like, stop using it. And in my head, I'm like, will you buy another one for me? Well, these shorts I'm even wearing is not even working. She just got to sit down like this because I'm tired and I have classes back to back. Finish the second one until the third. Let me just go and sit down.
Later that day.
Hi guys, I'm back from school. It's evening and I saw quite a lot of shege today. I stood for half of my physics class. I stood for the most of it, you know. That class was like 2 hours and I stood for it. But this is the shege I signed up for, so I'm going to keep seeing it. I've gotten dinner, so now it's time to study and just rest and see you guys tomorrow. Hi, today is Thursday the 8th of February and I'm dressed simply today. I didn't even do my edges because, you know, I considered what that girl from yesterday was saying. You know, she was explaining how the edges will comb my hair and stuff like that. I'm headed off to school now. My class is just for 2 hours. I have just one class and it's even a practical class. I don't even have lab coats, but they're always selling lab coats, so let's go. I'm tired. You know, the devil is really working hard today. He is really working today. So many things are going left. I'll give you guys the tea well when I get home because right now I'm really tired. I didn't even have breakfast because like I never have breakfast. The only things in my system are Mirinda and Pepsi because, you know, I took one before I did the punishment and took one after I did the punishment to have energy. So now I need to just eat. But by the way, my bun is like, you know, messy bun, those cute messy buns. That was a cute little fit check. I'm trying to get more comfortable filming in public. It's hard because, you know, I don't know, it would have been better if like I had friends around. But I'm getting comfortable on my own and that's a good thing. I am back. First of all, on my way back, I went to get food. Like, I sat down in the restaurant and I ate because the shege I saw today, let's start from the beginning. Yesterday, I came back from school. I saw that we had physics practical today. And I was like, okay, cool. 11 to 1, no problems. So, by 10, I set out, right? Because it's practical. You won't be left inside the lab till the time of the practical, right? So I was like, nobody's going to like go and fill up seats and whatever. On our way, our driver had problems with some guys on the road.
What did I do? Tell me, what did I do? Tell him.
That wasted my time. But eventually they released him and then he dropped us. Only for me to get there and then, you know, still banking on physics. I went to get a lab coat first. The lifestyle course, now you know, no say. The lifestyle course, now you know now. But I bought the lab coat. I have to buy it. It's like 11:30 and my class hasn't started. And I'm honestly grateful because what? I never met my roommates. Okay, something good happened today. I met my roommates for the first time. We talked and then about different things and she's pretty cool. And then she was like, oh no, that the class is by 12, blah, blah, blah. And I was like, oh, okay, cool. Now time to go in. They now said you can't take in your bag. You can't take in your phone. You can't, your hair has to be rolled up. You have to have a lab coat. I was like, oh, wow, okay. I put my phone on airplane mode, put it in my lab coat. Then I dropped my bag outside, brought out like important things and put it in the lab coat pocket, right? Then I started struggling with my hair.
Hey! Hey! My Mess up, oh, mess up. Hey!
I struggled for like 3 minutes. Then I got it and I walked. And I was like, oh, pretty cool. I got a good space in the physics lab. I got a seat and sat. Then one babe, I was not asking one girl because like my roommates told me that the practical she had come for before, they made them sit according to like their departments. And I asked one babe beside me, are we sitting according to departments? She was like, oh no. She didn't ask me my department. And I told her, and she was like, your department is doing physics right now. I was like, wait, hold up, what? I was like, wait, too, because actually my course rep said it was 11. I now looked at the message again. This message was edited, guys. Like, we had bio class in bio practical in the bio lab, and it started by 11. I nearly ran mad. The way I ran out, it's just like the labs are close to each other. I ran there. I entered. Then I was late now. I was already late. So I met some girls who were really writing and I joined them. I was now like taking pictures of the note, right? Immediately, as I was doing that, one woman just walked up to me. Okay, your phone. I said, wow. We stayed there till the end of the class. So my phone was seized, right? And I had to get it back. They said that, hey, we have to wait a week, blah, blah, blah. If we don't want to wait a week, you have to serve punishment. A big uni girl like me. A big uni girl like me, I serve punishment. If you see my hands after, I picked like bottles. So like not bottles, like plastics. Guys, please don't be dropping your plastics anyhow. People serve punishment in uni. I now picked like the plastics and trashed it. This woman now even disappeared. The woman that was with our phones. No, she handed it over to somebody else. The one that she handed it over to now disappeared. Man, it was messy. But the good thing is that while I was waiting to find my phone, I saw that somebody, like a staff, was reconfirming the attendance. So I didn't miss that, which was a very good thing. That's it, guys. I really saw a lot of shaking today, you know, from my phone getting seized to being late. Now, I don't even have the complete notes. At least I've eaten, which is a good thing. So now let me go and try and figure out my life and not make mistakes again. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
The next morning.
I don't know how I want to make it to school in 20 minutes, but let's go. We made it at 7:35. Class for 7:30. The lecturer is there. I'd be genuinely surprised. Sitting on the door.
Many classes later.
First week in uni is officially over. I saw some shaggies, but some parts were actually good. Like right now, I just finished like gisting with my friend, you know, just basically unwinding about the entire week. Some of you guys know him. If like you've been watching my vlogs from the beginning, I know him. Like we've been friends for a while now. So I'm headed to my place of peace and tranquility right now. So yeah, the week has successfully come to an end, and honestly, I couldn't be any happier. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I saw Shige, so send me all your love by watching my video. And so many people are staring at me, but we gotta do what we gotta do. And you guys over here, I came to beg you guys, so please like this video, comment, share. See, liking and sharing does not cost it, and subscribing too. You guys, please, I'm begging. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and yeah, thank you and God bless.